Okay.
Firework is gonna light! Firework!
Here we go. Back up.
Firework!
Big man in the way.
Yeah, I got him out.
Firework! Doesn't it shoot up?
I don't know. I don't know. I haven't gotten these before.
Whoa!
Tyler, back up.
What? Whoa! It's done.
Doesn't it fly up or something?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think we got any of them, dude.
Yeah, we don't. Light up another one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Hey, cool. Never. I can't even see your face.
That's you. That's yours.
Yes.
Just go on YouTube.
What?
I need more fireworks.
Yeah, we got them. We got them.
Our fireworks.
I got them. Here's some sparklers for Cole.
Sparklers. Let's see what else you got in there.
Can I throw it?
Here, hold on. Just wait.
You can't throw sparklers.
The sparklers are for Cole.
To be continued.